Okay, welcome along to another Games Retro playthrough, 20p Arcade Challenge from Retrotech 100 Facebook group. This week is Dragon Blaze. I'm doing this late as usual. I've had no practice whatsoever, so I'm gonna die on my ass. But let's get going. 2 credits, 20p. Facts about this game. Well, there isn't many. Let's see. When in doubt, go for fire. Yeah. Top 10 game on the in the 2000 in 2000. I don't really know what's going on. I've watched videos, but I don't really understand. Bullet hell, these are called, I think. Just fire and shit. I think you can take your dragon off, can't you? Ah, fuck. Get these power-ups. Shoot and shit. Fuck's sake. Is that it? Okay. Better be a bit more careful. Top 10 arcade in Japan in 2000. Can't remember where it came exactly, but it was top 10. Yes. Fuck. As you can see, I'm not very good at these games. I've run out of fucking credits. Ah, fuck. Well, hey, got past that. Oh, class that as an achievement. Where is this voice coming from? Collect 4 magic stones and save the world from the devil when you're a dragon. Yeah, it makes perfect sense. You know, if I was a dragon, I would want to save the world from the devils. Fuck! And that's it. What a credit eater. 11%. I never stood a chance. Use a dragon shot. It was asking me a question. I don't know what the question was, but the answer is no. I cannot play anymore. I watched all the runs so far, except Chris's, which I've heard is very good. Chris Diamond. So we'll look forward to that. And yeah. The good thing about this is it's going to be a short video, so I should upload it well before 10 o'clock. We shall see. Anyway, I'm in the draw this week. If you want to get in the draw, get a game in, but you probably don't have time. Different game every week. If you're in the draw for the previous week, if you play the game this week, you might be in the draw to pick the game next week. If you get me. You got to be in it to win it and all that. Anyway, come back for another challenge. Like and subscribe and all that gubbins, and I'll see you later.